red hot this is.
Cultural.
Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Chloe.
And I'm Jacob.
And today we are in a beautiful city called Malacca, and we have come to this beautiful little town, which is like a little Dutch town. So in this video we're going to be showing you around.
So we've arrived in Malacca, the gang still. And we've come to
I don't know if we're allowed to film it now.
Prison Museum.
Prison Museum.
What do you reckon, darling?
I reckon it's good, but then some parts don't actually have English writing, so we can't actually read everything. I think I'm meant to film in this part because it's about there.
See you later, sweetheart.
Please bail me out.
Which is this lake in this Dutch town in Malacca.
We're currently in a place called Dutch Town, which is part of Malacca, which looks very, very
Dutch.
Dutch, basically.
Very European.
Yeah, so we're basically just going to explore for the day, and then we're going to go on like a little river cruise as well.
Which is only
shortly.
30 ringgit. How much is that, like
30 ringgit.
£5? £4?
£6.
£6. Somewhere in between.
Cue the B-roll.
Definitely getting a scooter later.
Definitely not getting a scooter later. Gorgeous place called The Daughter for brunch, and she's just informed us, sorry if it's a little bit noisy, she's just informed us that absolutely everything in this place is for sale. So it's like an old vintage shop. Look at all these books, everything, it's all like vintage dreams. Aww, got all these like old photos. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, it's not focusing. Oh, that's so sweet, and all like everything is for sale. They've got books, toys. They've got books, toys. Absolutely beautiful place.
It's very hot today.
Your long lost brother will probably be in here somewhere. Chloe's found this.
The world's smallest dictionary, probably. Look how small it is. It says, actually, the English-Chinese dictionary. Look how small it is. Smallest little book ever.
Did they get a statue of me in here?
What do you mean?
thought this one was because you're a dragon. Me and Chloe have come to this place called the Baboon. So we're in to eat. This is it. Where's yours?
I've only got a water.
Sausage and mash. We're now leaving Malacca. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment,
And subscribe. I thought you were saying it. Me. Red hot this is.
I thought this one was because you're a dragon. I thought this